everyone, so today I'm going to show you how we make cheesecakes. When we make them, we do 2 cheesecakes at one time. So to start with, we are starting with 3 blocks of cream cheese. This is the Aldi's brand. We're not super picky. We haven't found any that doesn't work for this, but we picked the Aldi's brand this time. So as you can see, we've had them out for a little while so that they would soften a little bit because they blend better whenever they're softened. Then the next thing I'm going to do is take the 2/3 cup measuring cup. I'm going to measure out 2/3 cup of Domino's sugar. Then the next part is a little tricky. It will depend on your cream cheese, your sugar, and all of that. The next thing that you're going to be doing is adding lemon juice. Now sometimes I will put like 2 capfuls in, sometimes I'll only need 1, sometimes I'll need 3. You only need it just enough to soften it. You don't need a whole lot. So it really will depend on how it's blending or not. So I'm going to add the sugar and I'm going to put it in and start blending it in a little bit with 1 capful in and see if I need more, and I will let you know as I do it. Here's what it looks like so far with just the 2/3 cup sugar and 1 capful in. And let's get this started and mix it up. Okay, so as you can see, this time it seemed to blend really well with just the 1 capful in it. Now if you like the flavor of lemon juice, you can always add a little bit more, but I find that you don't really need it. So the next part is more of your personal preference, how to add it next. We will take the Cool Whip, and we prefer the extra creamy because I like the taste better with the extra creamy Cool Whip. So we will actually add it in and blend it in. Some people will insist on just folding it in, but we found that whenever we're using 3 blocks of cream cheese for 2 cheesecakes, that blending it in works better. So next I'm going to scrape this in and then we're going to blend it in. Now that it's all blended up, we're going to take it and fill these 2 graham cracker pie crusts. Here's what they look like when they're finished. This one doesn't have its lid on it yet, this one does. So that's it. It's a really quick and simple, easy, no-bake cheesecake recipe. If you do want it a little bit creamier, we have found that if you add just a half a Cool Whip container more of Cool Whip to it, it will make it a little bit creamier. But that is our simple recipe. It makes 2 every time you do it. But thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.